We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day. Everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Friends and family on Telegram. Families and friends will prosper. Now, let's pick up the business. Okay guys, we are marking up AUD, USD. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. All right, heading over to price action. Last candle in the market. We have a doji so far with this candle. Still have to wait for this candle to form or see if the next candle will form and break out. We are on a monthly time frame, so we got 20 days for this candle to still grow or stay the same. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action currently here. We're looking for higher highs. So if market goes up, we're looking for market to tag this area here. Price action, lower lows, that area. We're looking for price action to come right here for the low. And if it breaks this low of, then it's going to head down to the next low level. So you can put a midpoint right through that price action highs, and lowest low area. If we know price drops, we're going to add an extra line here. So let's work with this area here. If we see where price came from, it came from a triple top, so multiple pitches to the top. We have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market push down. Okay, so double top, retest, or triple top, and market push down once. Market push down is at the second push, or it could be altogether one. You gotta see what this candle's gonna do. So far, one or two pushes down to the bottom of that area of support. Headed down to the weekly. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. So on the weekly time frame, we can clearly see the triple top from the high. We have the retest, market push down once, market push down twice, market push down 3 times, market push down 4. Overall cap. So this market can be turned around to go up to the opposite end. That's already 4 pushes down to the bottom. So only way it will drop down further to new lows if it breaks this resistance, support, and turn resistance and drops down. That's if price is respected by this area of this pattern that's in here for a double top. So it will be first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. So it could be coming up to that midpoint, it drop right back down. But if it doesn't, if it breaks to that midpoint area, then we already know that market's all the way up to the next midpoint. If it fully breaks that, the market's going all the way up to the high. Okay, but we are currently in that downtrend with 4 pushes to the bottom. Market losing momentum. Can't be working its way back up. Headed down to the daily. Let's take a look at what's going on. We know we got the 3 pushes to the bottom. So we got to get to what's going on with price. We get price on the daily time frame. So what we have is, so there's some type of structure forming. So we look at price action highs. Let's say it's the midpoint, which is the midpoint. Let's say we try to wait for that breakout, this area here. Price action lows. Be here, midpoint right in the middle. So now we see we can identify what's going on. So we still have to wait until a market still form a pattern. So right now we see it could be a first leg, market pushing up for that second, could be pushing down for that third or pushing up. But that could just be the area of support, first, second, third, market pushes up, incline W. But if not, it could be respected by some type of double top. So think about these spikes being in this area here. 1 push, 2 push, the market works its way down. But if you wait on the daily time frame, you'll see the market form a pattern. Once you see that pattern is going to identify what direction the market's going to go into. Headed down to the 4. So we can see some type of double top forming. So we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Could be coming down. If not, could be working its way up. So price action, think about grabbing the low here. Market did a double top, pushes market down to a double bottom. So we got the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. That's the M. So market came to that midpoint, created that W, coming down in red. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Retest, market pushed up once. Triple bottom, double top, triple bottom. Market went back up to the high. So overall with the high, we have 1 push here. We have 2 pushes, and this is the 3rd push to the high. So you're going to see this market going to break out. But so far, we can still look for that pattern and try to form in here to go into the direction of the market. So give this time to form, you'll be able to see it. Headed down to the 3. So double top, double bottom, retest, market pushed up once, headed down to the 2, double top, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, double retest, market pushed up once, market pushed up twice. Hold on. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest, market pushed up 4. I'm getting 4 punches to the top from this area here. Could be exhaustion, but at the end of the day, we still have to wait for the price to see if it's going to break and retest this area here. So it's in between like highs and lows. So once it break out that consolidation of that high, we know it's going to be headed up. If it breaks a low, the midpoint is going to head back to that low. If it breaks this low here, it's headed back down to that overall midpoint low. Headed down to the 1. Let's take a look at what's going on. Double top. Market is extension. 2, 1 is the same. Double top. This area here, market pushed down after a retest. Headed down to the 30. Same. 2, 1, 45, 30, 15. Still extension. So we have something forming here. So we have a first leg, second leg, first, second, third, fourth retest. The market was expected by this W, first, second, third, fourth retest. Market pushed up once, retest. So it went from a triple top to a double bottom to a double top. First, second, third, fourth retest, 1 retest, 2 retest, 3. The market is in that midpoint. So once it breaks out of this, you'll see the overall direction. So far, looking like a downtrend. We got this big red candle on the 15-minute time frame that's about to overlap the previous one that can push this market down. It's not just a previous one. It's gonna overlap the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, about four, maybe 5 candles if it push down further, and that market could push down to a little bit lower than what it is, but still looking like the market could be going up. So I'm showing you guys structure and patterns what to look for. So 15 is the same as 5 extension, 3 is the same, and 1 big huge bearish candle, second to last candle. So all those read the same. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Understand market patterns, which way the market's going to go into. For example, we have bearish triple top. That's market started at a low, came up to a high, couldn't break this resistance, touched it once, twice, 3 times, wasn't able to break, market dropped back down. Very important information, guys. Please review and study breakout retest strategy. When the market is at a low, working its way up for that uptrend, when the market breaks the resistance as you currently see, it comes back to return. This time it returned once, twice, and the market pushed up from there. Actually, it's a double bottom pattern. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest 1, retest 2. The market's working its way up to that high. So areas you're going to be looking for the break and retest. Market breaks the resistance. Come back for the retest. Look for entry here. Some type of pattern from the Forex pattern cheat sheet. Give you the overall direction the market's going to go into. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your attention. AUD, USD.